What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell Token, which has hit a red candlestick today. It is down just above 4% and currently has dropped below 0.0001 cent as 0.001 cent, as expected in yesterday's video. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto. Is it taking a little bit of a dip before it pumps back up, or is it going to carry on dropping in value? So we are going to cover both short-term and long-term investors, and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it before it crashes back down, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to be going through the main questions that are currently being asked around Spell Token. So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And on the positive side, Bitcoin has pumped up over $53,000 after a good 2 years, guys, and it is up 4%, meaning the crypto market is also on the green side, and we are likely to see more pumps in value over the coming hours as well. So Spell Token, we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep, so this is realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Spell Token to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 0.0011, somewhere around that price range. So around here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So do expect more green candles over the coming hours, but again, do expect red candles in between as well. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now, we have taken quite of a U-turn. We're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Spell Token over the coming days. However, as you guys can see here, the orange line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction. This is due to the fact that it has been dropping in value quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep dropping in that sense and at that pace over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of the week and early next week, I'm expecting Spell Token to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 0.0014 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Even though, yes, it is likely to hit red days in between, it is likely to hit more green days than red days, meaning an overall increase in value is expected from Spell Token over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, now we are looking way too steep, going the opposite direction, literally going bullish, going at a very steep pace, guys. And again, this is not realistic because there's no way it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks consistently. That is just not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, yes, I'm expecting Spell Token to go for an overall increase in value. But here's the catch, guys. In between that time, I am expecting it to go for a bit of a price correction, dropping down to 0.0008 cents or below that, and then slowly starting to gain value by mid to late March, April, May, getting very close to 0.0017 to 0.0018 cents in value is where I'm expecting Spell Token to be trading at by late April and early May. But we do have the Bitcoin halving coming along, which should have an impact on the crypto market, but I'm going to save that for another video to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict and what the best option is with the crypto market with the Bitcoin halving. So at the moment, Spell token is looking quite good for the long term. However, price corrections are always part of the process, guys. You have to keep that in mind whenever you're investing into cryptos. Red candles and price corrections are always part of the process. They are always going to appear. So make sure you have your risk management on point if you guys are looking to buy or sell cryptos that are currently doing very, very well and pumping like crazy. So yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Spell token to be heading up to the 0.002 cents in target, because a lot of people have been asking me that as well. Bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we are still in the red zone, but as I've mentioned in my previous updates on Spell token, we are getting closer and closer to the green zone, and I am expecting it to head past the green zone in late April, early May. As I mentioned, 0.0018 cents is essentially in the green zone, which again, I said, expecting it to hit that in April, May time. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also dropped over 50% in the last 24 hours. Reason being is the value of Spell token has also taken a little dip, so not many people are trading the crypto. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move either in a positive or negative direction to either sell it or buy the dip. So for those of you guys who are not aware of my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below, guys, it is currently on offer. It is usually $29.99 a month, but if you use discount code DEC10, you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is limited to 100 members and for a limited time only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what does this chat exactly include? Is 2 chats you're going to get put into. So the first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Bear in mind, I am a long-term trader, so it's not on a regular basis that I buy and sell. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys what to expect from the crypto market, what to predict, mainly on Bitcoin, because that's what drives the market in a bullish and bearish direction. But you guys can also ask me questions on analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide in the group chat. Don't worry about the figures here. This screenshot is about nearly 2 years old, guys. But yeah, that's what happens in the chat. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.